Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to put in different lines in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you how to very quickly and easily create all of these different lines. Let's start with the first one. To get the first line, which is a straight line, you need to use on your keyboard the minus sign, also known as a dash. To type it 3 times and then press return, and there we have it. The next one is this squiggly line. And this uses a key, which I didn't even know the name of the key, and it's called the tilde or the tilde. Anyway, it's this squiggly line. So you do that one 3 times, press enter, and there you have it. Now, for this double line, it's the equals sign that you want to be using from your keyboard. So equals 3 times, press enter, you've got that. This is a thicker straight line, you've got to use underscore. So 3 underscores, press enter, get a thick line. This dotted line is using the asterisk. So on my keyboard, the asterisk is above 8, so I'm pressing Shift and 8 to get me the asterisk 3 times, press enter, we have a dotted line. And then finally, this very strange thick line was actually 3 lines there, is using what's called the number key, or what you and I probably call the hashtag. So hashtag 3 times, press enter, and there you have it. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.